Good morning. Get out your Chapter 7 notes. Today we're doing Lesson 2, Solve Systems of Equations Algebraically. Okay, in the previous lesson, you estimate the solution of a system of equations by graphing. Sometimes we didn't have to estimate. Sometimes we got to see exactly where they intersected. But substitution is an algebraic model that can be used to find the exact solution of a system of equations every single time. Okay, couple things to remember. Sometimes one or both equations are written in standard form. When solving a system by substitution, one of the equations should be solved for x or y. So you need an x equals or a y equals to be able to do substitution. Okay? So with the first problem, we have both x equals and a y equals, or we have two y equals, which is fine. We are going to take the y equals 2, because we know what it is, and we're going to put it in place of that y, because I know what y is. So 2 goes there, equals x plus 4, and now I have a simple equation I can solve for x. All I have to do is subtract 4. So therefore, x equals -2. And just like yesterday, all of our answers is an ordered pair, x, y. So my answer, x first, -2, +2. Okay, let's do the next one. Both of them say y equals, so it doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to circle this second one, and I'm going to put it in place of this y. You could have circled the other one and put it in place of the other y. You're going to get the same thing. So 3x goes in place of y, and then I still have equals x minus 6. So I'm going to put a 1 here, and I need to move this 1x to the other side, so I'm going to subtract it. So that gives me 2x equals -6, divide by 2, x equals -3. Now, I need to solve for y, so I always put it in what I circled. So y equals 3 times x, which is -3. And that gives you a -9. So my ordered pair answer is -3, -9. Okay. On number 3, I only have one y equals, which is fine. We will take this, and it goes in place of that y. So I have 3x plus 4. Now, it's 4 times all of this, so I must use parentheses. 2x plus 1, and then the rest of the equation equals 26. So I have to get rid of the parentheses by distributing. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 1 is 4. Next, combine like terms. 3x plus 8x is 11x. Subtract 4 from both sides. And divide by 11. So x equals 2. Now I'm going to take my 2 and I'm going to put it back in what I circled up here. So I'm going to scoot over here to the side. So y equals 2 times 2, and then the rest of the equation plus 1. Well, that's 4, plus 1 is 5. So final answer is 2, 5. Okay, let's do the last one. I have a y equals, so I'm going to circle it. Goes in place of y in the other equation. So 2x plus 5 times all of this, 6x minus 4, equals that 44. Distribute just like the last problem. That gives me 30x minus 20. Combine my like terms. 2x plus 30x is 32x. Get rid of the 20, so add 20 to both sides. 32x equals 64, and divide both sides by 32. X equals 2. Take that 2, put it back in what you circled. I'm going to squeeze it over here to the side. So y equals 6 times 2 and then minus 4. Well, 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So final answer is 2, 8. That's it for substitution. Check Google Classroom for your assignment.